All right, what's going on, everybody? So we got a little change of pace here. This is our little different what we've been working on, but just to give you an idea of what's been going on. This is our RV coach that we picked up. It's a big rig toy hauler, Freightliner. And we're in the process of a total remodel, just to show you where we're at. So it's a 2-slide coach. These lights on here. Yeah, so it's a 50-foot Kingsley Freightliner. Getting ready to start laying tile down. This is our tile we're going to be going with. Nice fancy schmancy looking tile. It's pretty much got it down to the bone. Got the bathroom in, the shower's in, toilet sat. I'm actually changing that toilet. Decided to go with a gray one to match. This is going to be the tile in here. Vanity is in. Trying to use all high-end stuff was put in. Got the frameless shower door kit going up after we get the tile in. So this originally was Toby Keith's toy hauler / coach. Yeah, supposedly it was Kingsley built it for him, and he acquired it then, or they presented it. I don't know. I'm not sure if they presented it to him or he purchased it, but it was Toby Keith's coach. I know for sure. So it had some damage, and that's why this has all been redone. It had a small fire in the bathroom for some odd reason. So all that's been fixed. All the plumbing's done. All the wiring's been done. Here's the bedroom. Let me find the light here. Not much been done in here yet, other than all the wiring and stuff's done. So I got to finish that wall. This is the rear slide. Got all new windows for it. Gonna do probably carpet back here, just because of the coziness of carpet when you wake up in the morning. But yeah, so gonna be moving on it pretty strong here. I'll take you outside and let you check it out. So I don't know if we can see it or not. Yeah. Not pulling the ditch here. But yeah, she's a big mama. Cool unit. Drives like a brand new one. We drove it home, about 2-hour road trip, and got 70,000 miles on it, which isn't nothing. The 60 series Detroit diesel, big rig motor, 2 live axles. So I have this tarp just to get rain the other night, so I'm repairing the side. The fiberglass skin was damaged when it had that fire, so that's the next thing to be done on the outside. We're going to reskin the whole outside instead of just repairing it. I pulled the whole side off. That way there's no seams. And back here. Oh, funny. So yeah, so I don't know if you could see it, but it says How You Like Me Now, Toby Keith's song. When that song was a hit is when this was presented to him. There's the garage. And there it is. So give you an update when we get the tile flooring in and make some progress on it. It's going to be a total high-end remodel. It's going to look totally different. So that's all for now, guys. Have a blessed day.